What's up, guys? Favorite 86 here. I'm in my room, and it's snowing out. Not on like the pavement or anything, just in the grass right now. Just started snowing not too long ago. Just got home from school, and I stopped by Lowe's because my dad picked me up from school, and I got this double drive KOBALT ratchet. So you can like twist it or use it like a regular ratchet. So this is gonna be like an unboxing, I guess. I'm just gonna set you down so I can cut it open. Or I can plug it this, I guess. It's $25, and I'll show you what it comes with. My iPad mini just shipped out today. Should have that on Monday. Alright, so let's see here. Alright, so here's the ratchet itself. It's pretty nice. It extends out like that, and that shrinks down. Alright, so that's all the way extended like that, and you can twist ratchet it like this, and then you can change directions, or you can use it like a normal ratchet, of course. It's pretty cool. Alright, so it also comes with, let's get this cut open. Comes with these the KOBALT, I don't know what they're called, but they fit on every bolt. They have like the star bolts and everything, square, round. They give the bolts like a little strip. It should work. Spline bolts. What else is there? 6-star, and then there's 12. And yeah, so they fit on all those. I don't know, see in there. And it comes with this little conversion for, you can put star bits and flathead and Phillips head bits in there. $25, I think this is a pretty good deal. I don't know if it's a Christmas special, but that's what it comes with. So yeah. So if you want any more tool reviews like this, please let me know. I'll get another review on this one since I used it a couple times and see how I like it. But it seems to be pretty decent quality. I really like the second ratchet, like how you just twist it. I think that should make life a lot easier. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want more tool reviews, just let me know. And stay tuned for more videos.